everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be showing you what I received from Single Swag. I'm sure you've probably seen everyone else's videos already about Single Swag. I was on vacation for 2 weeks, so this came during that time. I have no idea what I have. I did not watch anyone's videos, so this is a surprise to me and I'm happy. I do like to be surprised. Brooklyn is over here trying to eat yet another box. So I'll try to put it over here. It always comes nicely packaged. And it says win your next box. I never try to do this. I never ever try to do this. I do subscribe for 6 months at a time. So I'm assuming that maybe they'll give me a 7 month for free. You know, the 7th month for free. I don't know. But, and then on the other side is information regarding the items in the box. So let's see what I got. I'm excited. I like this box. I really do. So, oh, what is this? Wait a second. Sunset Park Gradient Cement Planter. Nicole, can you bring that little planter over? That's right there. No, look where I'm pointing on that table. The little table as you walk up the stairs. That
right here?
Yes.
It's heavy.
Okay, what happened? Now I just got a candle in here. That's not anything that came with it. I just stuck it in there and I do not plan on using this as a candle, but I just stuck this candle in there just to get it out of the way. Anyway, now I have 2. Is this the same exact box? Is everything the same, you guys? Did anyone else have this problem? Let's see what else is in here. I don't know. I might be unboxing this same exact box twice. What's this? This is vitamin drop serum for all skin types. Right here. I don't know. Is this all the same thing? Yep, this is the same cookies. Okay. This is day moisturizer. Hold on just a moment. Okay, sorry about that. My kids got home from school, but this is day moisturizer. I don't know if these are the exact same products that I got last time. Here's the jewelry piece. It's kind of all smashed up, but if it's the exact same thing, it's going to be 3 little bracelets that I actually like 2 of them. Yeah, oh my gosh, why did I get the same exact box twice, you guys? Same bracelets. Look, you guys saw me unbox this already once. Am I going to post this video? Yes. You're going to see me unbox it twice, darn it. Here's the Rose Quartz Grapefruit Essential Oil. And this is that roller ball that you put, like, you know, here, 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 here. I think. Let me make sure. The Rose Quartz one. Yeah, I have this in my purse, actually. I even took it on vacation with me. Anything else? Yes, Cab Cosmetics, or KAB Cosmetics, and this is mascara. Is it just a black mascara, I hope? Let's see. Oh, I don't know. It's mascara anyway. Is it? I hope it's black. Anyway, this is the same box. I got it twice. I might contact the company because I don't want the same box twice. I want new stuff. The planners are pretty. Now I have 2 of them. They'll look really pretty side by side. Anyway, if you stayed long enough to watch me open this box twice, thank you so much for watching. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you can, please leave a comment down below if you have time and subscribe to my channel. This is really, really weird. Very strange. Have a great day. Bye.